can't tell me what to do. You're not my real dad. So we're gonna get ready together. We're gonna go thrifting together. Does that sound fun? Well, even if it doesn't, you're gonna do it if you're watching this video. So let's get going. I'm gonna actually only wear like a tiny bit of makeup today. It is a rainy crap hole of a day outside. I have wanted to get some like little vintagey pieces for my house. I think that you can get some really cool stuff that you can't really find other places because it is vintage. It's not like everywhere, you know? I don't really know where I'm gonna go. I feel like I look absolutely like pumpkin orange. I want to try shopping also at like some antique stores doing antiquing as well. So maybe you guys want to come with me to one of those. I started wood burning. You guys, it's so hard. I wood burned something the other day and it wasn't too bad. And then I got kind of cocky. And so I started wood burning more last night thinking, I got this. Oh my God. They all turned out so bad. I am one of those people that if I'm not good at something immediately, I'm like, I give up. I like to be like instantly good. I'm not one of those people that like practice makes perfect. So I'll put in 500 hours at something I'm not very good at and then until I get better. And that is how people become like incredible, hyper realistic painters and stuff like that, because they put in the time and effort. Like nobody was immediately good at playing guitar. They put in hours and hours of practice and sucked and sucked and sucked until they were good. But I have this weirdest mentality where I'm like, unless I'm immediately good, throw it in the trash. Look at all these grays. You guys see those? Oh, my mind was like telling me that that's late 40s, you know what I mean? Like that makes a lot of sense, but like mid 30s, come on, baby. 15-minute makeup, 13-minute actually. So that was fast. And now I'm gonna do my hair and we can get ready to go thrifting together. I have worked with ThredUp many, many, many times and I love them so much. If you don't know who they are the world's largest online thrift shop. They have so many different things to choose from. It's so easy to shop on their site because you can sort out by brand, by color, by style, by neckline. And I really narrow it down when I'm searching because I find a lot of things that I really, really like. I really love a bodysuit. I really love specific colors and you can search out by all of those things. Especially the clothes on ThredUp when you're buying, they have a little notation of like the condition of the clothing. And so you can see if it's like new, if it's got like gentle wear or things like that. And everything that I got is really, really nice, like brand new looking. So this is one of the first tops, one I'm actually wearing today. This is an olivaceous bodysuit. This one was estimated retail price at $19.99 and I got it for $12 and I freaking love it. It's exactly what I wanted for underneath overalls. It's actually perfect in every way. So this shirt was made for me. This is the Somersault bodysuit, size XL. Fits really nice. It's perfect for under overalls. I love the ribbed and the long sleeves. Colors, obviously right up my alley. This is estimated retail at $42 and I got it for $23.65. So cute. Okay, so this is another bodysuit. This is Lulu's size large, and this one was estimated retail at $22.99, but I got it for $14.95. And this one is new, brand new, and I really like it. It's a high neck. I think I could fold the neck down if I wanted it to be a little lower, but either way, really cute, really fall themed. That's perfect for under my overalls. I love it. I love this sweater. This is Style & Co. This is an XL pullover sweater and this one is $20.99 estimated retail. I got it for $13.60 and this is like one of those everyday sweaters. This is what I would wear, pair of leggings. I would wear this with like a cute little white pair of tennis shoes. Love this so much. This is so right up my alley. This is an American Apparel bodysuit that I got and this one doesn't have a snap crotch. It's like, come on. Come on. So this one is cute though. It's like got a little X in the front. It's V-neck and I'm more of a high neck, but that's okay. I think I can handle it. This one was estimated retail at $23.99 and I got it for $18. And then this top over it, this is so cute. So this is from White Birch. I really like this. I used to wear a lot of cardigans, but I just stopped after a while. But I don't know, man. This like plaid style, it's so absolutely cute. This one is estimated retail at $48 and I got it for $20.99. It's size large. I don't know, it's so cute to me though. It's like little picnic style. If I was wearing like a high neck black with this with like a little necklace and like my hair zhuzhed, I think that's my vibe, but That's really cute. I like this a lot. I got even more that I didn't show because there's just so many items, but I'm really happy with all of this because I was running out of like shirts that I was happy for under overalls. I wear overalls like every day. Here's the thing. When you have an apple body shape like mine, pulling up pants is not my favorite thing to do. So even leggings, even jeans, pretty much everything, you have to pull them up. You don't have to pull up overalls. They just stay up because of these. So that's why I'm an overall lady. I'm always out doing garden work. I'm chasing after my kid. I don't have time to be pulling up my pants. So you guys can see the actual pieces I bought and shopped similar items through ThredUp. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, I'm gonna have the link down below. You guys can use my code Kristi at checkout to get an additional 40% off of your order if it's your first time shopping with ThredUp. And thank you again to ThredUp for sponsoring the beginning portion of today's video. Let's hop back over. When I drive places, I love to just belt out and sing, and I do karaoke. Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong. Chained by your own sorrow.
Zoltar will give you a rare-cut redone.
I don't have any money, sorry Zoltar. I'm looking for art, like hanging art, something that fits my vibe. You can't tell me what to do. You're not my real dad. They have half the store that they normally have. Normally there's like a huge upstairs. There was no upstairs. So it was just a small downstairs and I didn't see any art really. What in the world? I'm in a museum. I didn't expect to end up here. How long that is. That's acrylic on canvas. Dude, that's some patience. I do not have that. You know, art like this always confuses me because I feel like I could make that. But what about it makes it museum worthy? You know what I mean? Like, what about it? I'm not trying to be mean. I just like literally don't. I want to understand. Can you guys fill me in? Like, yes, we're gonna put that in a museum. Man, I was really looking forward to that upstairs room at the antique store. That was where all the cool stuff was last time. Like really cool stuff. Okay, look at these hanging baskets. Wow. Look at that. What's this little stuff? Get these. Well, it was a little bit of a fail. I did not get any antiques. I'm at a grocery store and I'm gonna pick up dinner for my family, but I thought I would show you guys what I got at that little cute shop that I was just at. I got this, which is adorable. It's a little embroidery kit for puppies, and I love that it's not just a white background. I love that it's like the blue polka dotty background. And I got this one also, which is a little fern and a moth. And then I got this, which is a gardener's scrub. I got these two mugs, Plant Lady, Plant Daddy. I don't normally buy like mugs with sayings on them, but I don't know, those were just too cute to pass up. It's a new day, so that was a big fail. The last time I went out, I found nothing, and it wasn't what I thought it would be. So today we're going out again, and I am hoping to find some things. Now today I'm actually gonna be shopping at the dollar store. because I am throwing a harvest party. I think I spoke to you guys about that recently, and I love to do a lot of decorations for that, but I am looking for pumpkins so I could make this. I saw this on TikTok and I just think it looks so cool, and I want to make something similar for our harvest party, but I do not want to spend like $20 per fake pumpkin, which is kind of what you pay for at like a Hobby Lobby or Michael's or craft stores in general. They're just expensive, and so I'll look at those places just to see if they have any like deals or sales. Highly doubt it, but I'm gonna go to the dollar store and see if they have anything that will work for harvest party, because it's actually affordable. So let's shop at the dollar store. Everything looks like it's been picked through. Oh, it's empty. It's empty. I am not having very good luck. They were empty, fully empty. So now we're gonna head over to Hobby Lobby, I guess. See, this is what I'm talking about. For one fake pumpkin. $12.99 and then 40% off. $7.79. We're just gonna have to go for it, guys. We're just gonna have to do it. Yeah. I hope this isn't that expensive. Yeah. That was like 150 bucks. So I think we got this. So I might try one more dollar store just to see, but we only have 2. So I'm gonna go look and see what they have, but nothing so far. Be safe. I'm spray painting punkies. What are you guys doing? Riding the bike. Wow. You guys having fun? Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. I love you guys with my whole heart.
I love you too, Mom.
Oh, baby. All right, have fun, my guys.
It's a dry pumpkin.
It's dry, yeah. The other ones are wet, but these ones are dry. These ones have a little stick on the bottom, look.
A pumpkin lollipop.
Oh, pumpkin lollipop. It is like that, huh?
I got a big pumpkin.
Whoa.
I got a big pumpkin. Oh, you're playing with the pumpkins.
Yeah, we are.
Look at this.
That one's cool.
All of these are cool.
They are cool.
Green.
Whoa, look at the big green one.
Ooh, look at the big orange one.
What?
And look at the other one. We have here. What do we have here? Here.
What's this box?
Ooh, do you want to open it?
I do, because it looks like it's been sitting out in the sun and I don't even know what it is.
We're sitting outside for a long day. We're sitting outside for a long day.
For long days, that's right.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is it? It's a mushroom. Mommy bought these in They delivered it outside.
We delivered it.
I think this is a candle. Oh, for crying out, Pete.
What is it?
Look at it. Smell.
Ooh.
It's a candle. Look. I bought these on Anthropologie, and I was just like, I guess they're never gonna arrive. And it turns out they did. How long have they been out here? Couldn't tell you.
Some place these pumpkins, mine.
Yes, my darling.
Did you want to look at it?
Thank you, my love.
It's so cool and it has blue stripes.
It's so cool and it has blue stripes. Which one do you like the best?
This one.
Oh, I like this one the best.
Oh. Oh, this is mine. Oh my. Yay.
It's so cute.
Don't flush these pumpkins, mine.
Yeah, we don't want to crush them, huh? So this is what they look like when I first spray painted them and after I painted them to look just better, in my opinion. I think they just look more dimensional, more matte. So I use this color, which is Rookwood Red, Pueblo, Primary Yellow, Toasted Terracotta. You don't have to be super precise about it, as if you guys are recreating this. Who knows, maybe you are. Maybe you're gonna have your own harvest festival. Highly recommend it, by the way. If none of you guys have ever had one, honestly, all it is just all of the apple, pumpkin, delicious treats and sweets. Cornhole as a game. Music, you can use bluegrass music, country music. Heck, you could do indie folk, whatever suits your fancy. Delicious food, a bonfire. We did hay rides last year for the kiddos, and all I did is we have like a John Deere lawnmower, and we have like one of the trailers that you pull behind it where you can like stack wood and stuff in the back of it, and I just put some hay bales in it, and I took the kiddos around on the tractor rides, hay rides, but it was really fun. They loved it so much. It was literally a blast. I ended up driving the kids around like all night long, and it was so much fun. And then just hanging out, talking, having good food, and sweet hangs. It was really a really good time, and I could not suggest it more. So if any of you guys are wanting to add a tradition to your family, a harvest party has been such a fun thing to do. And I'm not usually a party thrower. I love doing them, but I always felt like I needed an occasion. Like I needed it to be a birthday or a baby shower. Somebody's calling me. Hi, I totally forgot to end off today's video. I'm gonna make all of that stuff today, so I'm gonna go out and I'm going to put up all of the pumpkin decor and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me today and hanging out. I enjoyed doing it. It was really fun and a different change of pace. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys wanna see more like harvest party stuff, we are starting decoration for it now. I bought like 15 pumpkins today, real ones, and a bunch of corn stalks, and I'm gonna decorate the porch today. So very excited. And thank you guys for hanging out with me. And thank you again so much to ThredUp for sponsoring the beginning portion of today's video. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in checking out ThredUp, I'm gonna have the link down in the description of this video and all of the information that you need. But you guys can use my code Kristi at checkout for an additional 40% off of your first order shopping with ThredUp. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye. Oh, honey. I'm sorry. That's gotta be scary for you. Okay. Just Washington things.